Good morning. Hello, my beautiful bugs. So today is Wednesday, and yes, I know I have the same sweatshirt on I had on yesterday, but that's because I'm really cold in my house. So I have different clothes on underneath. I just threw the sweatshirt back on, but I didn't want you to think that I was wearing the same thing every single day because I don't. But here we go. Good morning, beautiful bugs. And remember, you are beautiful bugs all week long. Next week, I'm going to call you interesting insects. So see, you already know ahead of time what I'm going to call you. But that's because for 2 weeks, we are doing insects. You are doing a wonderful job, but you have to keep up because there are so many stories on insects. Very exciting. Today is Wednesday, so we made it halfway through the week. We made it through Monday, we made it through Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. So we're almost finished this week. You are doing a fabulous job on all of your work. I'm very proud of you. It is rhyme time, so here is our rhyme for the week. It has to do with these beautiful ladybugs. And here we go. Ooh, let's hold it this way, see if you can see better. 5 little ladybugs dancing on the shore. One flew away, and then there were 4 little ladybugs dipping in the sea. One chased a fish, and then there were 3 little ladybugs admiring the view. One skipped off, and then there were 2 little ladybugs bathing in the sun. That's actually what I would like to do. One flew home, leaving only one little ladybug all alone. But he called his friends on the phone, and they all came back. All 5 little ladybugs doing the jive. Here they are, all 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we did play a little game with these, and when you come on live, we will play one more time. But sometimes we can use these for story problems. So when you get to be in kindergarten and first grade, they're going to talk to you about this a lot. But we have been doing some of this. You guys did it with the bug jars this week. This is a little story problem. So if you had 1 ladybug and 3 more came to the party, how many ladybugs would you have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. See how that works? Let's try another one. This is Evelyn's favorite. 2 plus 2. So 2 ladybugs were eating outside and 2 more flew up. How many ladybugs would there be now? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Pretty cool, right? So we can do some more of those. Let's see. So 4 plus 1 more equals 5. There they are, all 5 doing the jive. We also want to review this week. This says find your insect pack. So we should have at this point found our insect pack. Most of you have tried to do at least one butterfly. So hopefully you found your beautiful, Jaylene painted hers yesterday. Evelyn did hers with her stickers the day before. Whatever you choose to do with your beautiful foam ladybug, please bring it with you to morning meeting today, or story time. That's what I was trying to say. Or the next time, okay? So bring it to morning meeting or story time. If you did not finish, that's okay. Finish by Fun Friday, because we want everybody to be able to show us a Fun Friday butterfly. So here is the butterfly that I started with Jaylene and Evelyn yesterday because they were on live. But let me explain to you how to start this butterfly. So first of all, we know that it is a proper insect butterfly, not because of the colors or anything, but because it has 3 body parts. See, it has a head, it has the thorax and the abdomen So we know it has 3 body parts. It also has antennae at the top. That means more than one antenna. Antennae at the top. See that? And that's how we know. Now, on the back of a ladybug, how many legs should it have? See that? It should have 6 legs. So if you wanted to do the back of your ladybug, you would do it with 6 legs. All right? So make a ladybug. What I talked to the girls about yesterday, and I'm going to talk to you about today, is something called symmetry. So this is the way symmetry works. So if we fold this in half so that both halves will be exactly the same, whatever you draw on this side to cut out will show up on the other side. So one side will be the same as the other side. That is symmetrical. It's like a mirror. So it shows a mirror. So actually, when we were also talking yesterday, we talked about, you know how sometimes we put our backgrounds together, and when we put our backgrounds together, the one side is a copycat of the other side. That is symmetry. That means that things are the same on one side as they are in the other. So if you wanted to be super ahead of things, then you could also do that for your butterfly. You could put, if you put a circle on this side, you could put the same one on this side. One other thing we talked about yesterday was camouflage. So some butterflies have what almost look like eyeballs down here to camouflage them from other predators. So I know that Evelyn did some camouflage on hers. So this is what I'm talking about with symmetry. So see, you would draw half a butterfly. And then if you cut on this line, what will happen, just like when we actually made hearts like this, we just we didn't use the big vocabulary word symmetry because you weren't quite ready in February, but now you're almost kindergartners. So you absolutely can use that word symmetry. So watch this. So I'm going to cut on just the line that I just did. And when I open it up, it is symmetrical. This side is the same as this side. So please do some symmetry today and make yourself a butterfly that you can bring to story time or morning meeting if you've already done it yesterday, because I know that some of you did it yesterday. All right, so I'm going to point with my centipede again. It's my centipede pointer. And we are going to go over some of these shapes, and then we are going to talk about practice. All right, you have a geo board, remember, with the rubber bands and the pegs. Make some of these shapes this week so that you'll remember them and practice them, because we have been forgetting them, right? So this is a triangle, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, circle, square, 4 sides, all the same length, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oval means a stretched out circle. Rectangle means these 2 sides are the same and these 2 sides are the same. So even though there are 4 sides, the square means they're all the same. The rectangle means each pair of sides is the same. This is a diamond, or some people call it a rhombus. Rhombuses can be different shapes, but it means a four-sided figure. This is a trapezoid. That means that the top and the bottom are different lengths, but they're parallel. That means they're the same distance apart. Okay? This is a hexagon, and that's how we know by counting the sides. So let's count the sides, and I'm going to show you the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it has 6 sides, it is a hexagon. If it has 8 sides, like a stop sign, then it is an octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is an octagon. So oct is it means 8. So like an octopus has 8 tentacles. An octagon has 8 sides. Alrighty? I will see you at 9 a.m. Please try to have your butterfly. If you cannot find it, that's okay. Still come on at 9 a.m. If not, I will see you. We will read another butterfly story today at 11. So try to have your butterfly completed by 11 when you come on. All right? I will see you at 9 and 11. Mwah.